Hello everyone, welcome to Binary Decoders. This video, we will understand how to disable screenshot and screen recording in Flutter Windows application. This is demo Flutter Windows application. Currently, Windows there is no package available the same. For this, we have a workaround. Under Windows folder, the runner in main.cpp create function. It try to create a Windows object. Once it is done, you have to call the function set Windows play affinity. You have to pass the Windows object and this parameter. This function specifies the content of the windows to be displayed, and the parameter which we have passed specifies the content of windows to be displayed only on monitor. You can refer to the documentation. I will attach in the. Now let's save this and we have to rebuild the application. Now we have the window open. I hope that it uh, should be in a black screen for you because my screen recorder should be not able to detect it. Let's try to take the screenshot as well. So here we can see that there is a black screen and we're not able to see the content. And this will be applicable to the screen recorder, any external available in the market as well. Thank you guys for watching the video.